Good morning and welcome to our celebration assembly. Time to hand out some commendations, which as we have become used to, will then be posted out, and an awful lot of staff sending in an awful lot of names, which is fantastic to see, because that tells me that everyone is continuing to engage in a really positive way with what we are doing, the distance learning, which I have to say from my own point of view as an English teacher in Year 5 seems to be going very well indeed. So it's as ever a very well done to each and every one of you. So usual drill, I would love to hand out 350 commendations, but unfortunately I cannot, otherwise we'd be here all day and you would miss out on some of those wonderful lessons. So I've had to sift through, and today we have come up with 42 names. 42 commendations. So without further ado, here we go. Commendations this week. In reception, Joshil P for Maths, Cyan E for English, Indy S for a fantastic weather collage, well done, and Parin M also for a fantastic weather collage. Leo S for writing, so well done to all of you boys in reception. In Year 1, Cameron H for Maths, Aman B for English, Tristan F for English, Max M for English, Seb G for environmental work, Harrison B for art, Zarak B for hard work and perseverance, very well done. And then Krish ND for creativity and music. In Year 2, Musa A for English and Maths, Jivan B for handwriting, and Isa A for a fantastic positive attitude. In Year 3, Ibrahim K for Maths, in fact all of these ones for Maths, Haris D, Thomas B, Manvir B, very well done, and Prab R. Year 4 commendations, Rahul S for Maths, Zachariah H for Maths, Matthew D for music, Devaj M for music, Lalit S for music, and Ryan K for science. And then in Year 5, I've been marking an awful lot of English work. Some fantastic stuff has been handed in, and I've been helped by Mr. Robinson. There has been so much of it, so we have got that marked and back to you. And commendations are as follows. All these for English. Danielle L, Johnny H, really impressed Johnny with you, well done. Daniel N, also Daniel, mightily impressed with the effort that you are putting in, superb stuff. Maxud A, Jensen D, Alex F, and Naman C. And then finally for this week, commendations in Year 6, Charlie R for art, Milo W for report writing, Carlo N for outstanding report writing, William B for science and PSHE, Hassan W for science and PSHE, Ethan C for science, Andrew J for science, and Rehan F for science. Super stuff. You are all, every single one of you, doing so very well. So keep up the good work. Well done to everyone.